Okay, so the lights that you see here are going to be the 300 count LED. The box it came at actually just looks like this, and on the back side is actually the barcode for these particular lights. So this is what they look like, and they actually have several different functions on them to illuminate. They are actually really small lights, but they're LED, so there's a button here on the plug where you actually go ahead and just push it and it will change. But you can see that the bulb itself is like really small. So they're not like your typical bulbs that you would purchase. But I actually love these because I like all the different options and colors that they offer. So works really, really well because they are considered indoor and outdoor, and they have a lot of different options for you to be able to put into your front yard or whatever you're trying to decorate. So thanks for watching, guys. Y'all have a great day.